hello, I guess.
Silver Falls State Park is known for its Trail of 10 Falls and is widely considered the crown jewel of the Oregon State Park system. The park spans over 9,000 acres and is situated in the foothills of the Cascade Mountains. When visiting, keep an eye out for the local wildlife such as deer, the mountain kitty, the ever-lovable wash bear, and be sure to watch out for that poofy little stinker, the skunk.
Negative encounters? What are you talking about? $7 mocha. I'm not impressed. It just tastes like Hershey's syrup.
Ugh.
Smith Creek, Cabin Village, 2025. Got that sauna feel. You can sit next to your honey while they use the bucket. You can get a tiny cabin. It's normally $181.69, but there's a fall special for $118.10. Dare I snoop? Smells good, like a wood-burning fireplace. It's the Hexagon Amphitheater. Big old 9,000 acre Silver Falls map. Please consider the time of day. I certainly will not. I'm just randomly wandering around at my own risk. The backcountry of Silver Falls State Park. It's beautiful. Hello. Oh yeah. Oh, loop. Yeah. Did you hear him say that? They were like, "You made it! You made it!" Like, visit Silver Falls. Or not. Fun run. Trick or treat. There's a couple showering together next door. I could hear what they were saying. Is that all you're gonna give me? Just a little trinkle? At least it's kind of warm. Anyway, the neighbor couple, the lady didn't seem like she was happy to be here. She was just doing it for her man. You know, he's like, "I'll be right back. I'm gonna get some firewood, babe. Just wait here." She's like, "Okay, leave me here with this creepy guy," and I'm just sitting right there, you know. Yep, I was reading about skunks. Fascinating creatures. Like raccoons, they're native to the Americas. Just so funny when they stole my chicken sandwich. Still don't know who did it. I think it was the raccoon and the skunk stole it, but it was just so funny the way, you know, I came around the bushes and shined the spotlight on him. He was down there mowing on the chicken sandwich. He just looks up. Like, what? It's chaos up in here. We got leaf blowers, we got personnel.
All right, things are going well. We're gonna make this happen. We're gonna be it's really great to be here. Nice and wet. Silver balls, 2025, 2025, whoa! And that's the way it goes down. Look at that. Love the feeling of water trickling down the small of my back. Get out of here, onto our next soaking adventure. What a wonderful time. I'd do it again.